The $2 trillion problem private equity won't talk about. What if I told you that most private equity deals are built on a lie? Not intentionally, of course, but a dangerous fantasy that's costing sponsors and LPs billions. I'm Ed Marsh, and after working with numerous PE firms and their portfolio companies, I've seen the same problem subvert value creation plans over and over again. Here's what I've seen happen. Smart PE firms buy solid industrial and manufacturing companies. They build sharp-looking slides mapping out beautiful value creation bridges. These slides show exactly how they'll grow organic revenue, including major contributions from price increases and new customer and new logo acquisition. The math is defensible. In fact, the math looks perfect. And they've got a strong track record of operational improvements that are effective at managing costs and improving efficiency. But there's one massive blind spot. The sales team often can't execute. And here's the kicker. Nobody realizes until it's too late. So let me walk you through the predictable disaster that unfolds. Years 1 through 2, focus on operational efficiency while hoping that the existing sales team will hit targets. They don't. Year 3, hire a new sales leader, somebody with industry experience and good references, give them time to settle in, wait for a full sales cycle. Suddenly, years 4 through 5, gnawing concern is growing that it's still not working. In fact, panic is approaching. So there's another search. There's another ramp period. There's another sales cycle. Now we're at year 6. The pucker factor is really going through the roof because the company is out of runway. They're out of patience, and they're facing a track record of failed hires with little confidence the next one will be different and help them achieve the goals. Sound familiar? Here's what, in my experience, PE firms are missing. They have rigorous playbooks for financial improvement, for operational efficiency, for inorganic growth, but there's usually no comparably rigorous methodology for GTM, the front end of demand creation and sales execution. They often actually never do basic funnel math or sales math, working backwards from the targets to understand what their team actually needs to do, starting from prospecting in order to hit the target. And they often lack empirical data to answer critical questions like these. Number 1, can the team actually make price increases stick? Can they consistently reach decision makers? Can they convert prospects at the rate you're banking on? Most sponsors don't have that data. They're flying blind on the biggest component of their value creation plan. This is why I developed Quality of Sales. It's an engineered methodology to empirically measure sales talent and identify execution, process, and framework gaps before they kill your deal. It works in many situations, including these common 4. First, during diligence, you can understand what you're actually buying. Are your top performers creating value or just sitting on legacy accounts? Second, during integration, you get a roadmap for immediate optimization and early wins. Third, during growth periods, you can hire truly outstanding second standard deviation sales talent with a high degree of predictive accuracy. And fourth, for underperforming companies, you can diagnose root causes and prioritize improvements. Don't let your value creation bridge become a bridge to nowhere. The revenue growth assumptions in your investment thesis are too important to leave to hope. If you're tired of watching sales teams underperform while your operational improvements deliver exactly as planned, let's talk. Check out qualityofsales.solutions to learn how we can help you turn sales aspirations into predictable results. What's your experience with sales execution and PE deals? Drop a comment below. I read and respond to everyone.